And today they've really been liking this rain, cleaning them off a bit. But they've been horning. You see them doing it right now? It's just the term for them rubbing those horns up against inanimate objects, like logs or tree trunks or rocks. Basically, right now, these girls are sharpening their horns. Because rhino horn is made out of the same stuff as our fingernails and our hair. It's a protein called keratin. Basically, it grows continuously throughout their lives, just like our fingernails do. And they can shape that horn however they like, kind of like styling their hair. So some of them have really sharp horns, some of them make them blunt, just basically whatever they want. They could always change it, of course. But we might be seeing a lot of this horning behavior out here today, I thought, with our other rhinos and our other exhibits early on. These southern white rhinos, at one point, they were down to about 100 individuals